Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Google account, admin access to your website, and a decision to use GA4. Once you have that, open Google Analytics and click to create a new property. This generates your tracking setup. Make sure to name the property clearly, set the reporting time zone, and choose the correct industry category so data segments work. After creation, Google will provide a measurement ID and installation instructions. Copy that ID now. Now you implement the tag. If you use a CMS plugin, paste the measurement ID into the plugin field. If you use Google Tag Manager, create a GA4 tag and publish. For manual install, paste the G tag. JS snippet into the head of every page before /head. Once done, clear any site caches and test on a private browser window. Make sure the measurement ID is visible in the page source. This confirms the tag is present and ready to send hits to your property. Finish by verifying data flow. Open GA4 real-time and debug view while you browse the site. You should see page view events appear within seconds. If nothing shows up, make sure you didn't paste the snippet into a template that loads after scripts, and disable ad blockers during testing. Once done, set up basic events and conversions so you measure goals. If problems persist, clear server and site caches, republish your Tag Manager container, and retest in an incognito window on a different device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.